Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Woodforest debit card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to woodforest.com, and now once you're here, you want to click onto login, so you need to log in. So put in username and password. And then after you're logged in, navigate to card services, look for the option related to card management or services, and then select activate card, follow the prompts to activate your debit card. Alright, and another way to do it is by phone activation. So call the activation number, so dial the number provided on the sticker of your new debit card or the customer service number, and then follow the prompt. So listen to the automated system and follow the instructions to activate your card. Provide required information. You might need to enter your card number, expiration date, and other personal details for verification. Another way to activate is to go in person. So go to the nearest Woodforest National Bank branch, request assistance with activating your new debit card. So speak with a rep, and then be prepared to show some ID and the new debit card for activation. And the last way is via an ATM activation. So visit a Woodforest ATM, insert your new debit card into a Woodforest ATM, follow the prompts. The ATM may prompt you to activate your card during the transaction, and then from there you may need to perform a simple transaction like a balance inquiry or withdrawal to complete the activation. If you got any issues, you can contact the Woodforest National Bank customer service for further assistance.